All right, number 8, we have 3 parts ABC. So first we're going to find all whole numbers that leave remainder 2 upon division by 4. And we're going to write our answer in set builder notation. So we have some choices to work with. N plus 6, 6n, n plus 2 divided by 4, or 4n plus 2. And we can solve this just by plugging in 1, okay, for each of these, if it's hard for you to see. So if we did n was 1, n is a whole number. That's what that means, element of W. This is plus 6, okay. That would give us 7. If we did 7 divided by 4, that would give us 1 with a remainder of 3. We need a remainder of 2. B, if we have 6 times 1, that would give us 6. We divide this by 4. We get 1 with the remainder of 2. That works out. Let's try another one just to be sure. So if we did 6 times 2, that would give us 12. Divide this by 4, and that would give us 3. No remainder of 2. So every time we need 1 remainder of 2. So A and B will not work. Let's try C. So if we did 1 plus 2, that would give us 3. And we do 3 divided by 4. We get 0 with the remainder of 3. So again, that's not a remainder of 2. And then lastly, if we do 4n plus 2. So the fact that we're doing 4n means that this number, no matter what I plug in, is going to be divisible by 4, because I'm multiplying it by 4. The plus 2 is going to leave me with the remainder of 2 every time. So D is the one that's going to work out. You can get there by eliminating the others. You might also pick it up by looking at that formula. Alright, part B. We want to write out the first 4 numbers in the sequence of numbers that are divisible by 4 with a remainder of 2. So whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, okay? So if we plug in a 0 to that formula, 4n plus 2, this formula, these are the numbers that we would get. Plug in a 0, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2, we would get 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 would give us 6. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So just adding 4 every time once you get that first number. So the next number will be 14. So these will be the first 4 numbers: 2, 6, 10, 14. Alright, part C says, what kind of sequence is part B? Why? So, we want to know what kind of sequence this is. It's getting bigger. We're adding 4 every time, okay, to get to the next number. You can figure that out. So when we add or subtract the same common difference, we call that an arithmetic sequence, okay? And so we'll say this is an arithmetic sequence because 2 is added. No, this is an arithmetic sequence because 4 is added. So if we were multiplying, we would call it geometric. This would be arithmetic.